single one out there flying low. Coming right, yep, coming right at us. Kept going there. Oh, there's 3 teals on the left too. Where the hell are they all going? Here they come. Yeah, that's the one I was shooting at. No, there's a lot of feathers. Well, they came in from a different direction. I wasn't expecting them to come in that way. I was hoping that they'd be landing like the other way. Wow. I'm kind of waiting for that one to clear and get in my path to shoot. I don't know, I saw a big puff of feathers. I had my gun on him and I was just about ready to pull the trigger and you just smoked him. Are you shooting 3s? Okay. That's going to be interesting to see in the video. I got 4s in my bag. Well, like you said, taking candy from a baby, right? Something like that. Boy, they came in from not where I was hoping they were going to come more left or right instead over the top of us. That's what I was kind of waiting for, to let them get out a little bit. I thought they were going to land.
One looked like it was.
I shot twice and missed both times. Nope, they were coming right in from the get-go. Boy, it's not the direction I... Yeah. Oh, looks like he's kind of going left or right. Over there by those guys. Lay off. Should almost shot at him, huh? the sun, or they're just not. Do you think we got too many mojos going? No, that's it. Exactly. It's usually a good thing to, the more you have, the better it is. Maybe we should have put them all together, huh? Yeah. There's always a woulda, shoulda, coulda. Let's keep an eyeballs. 6, 7. That was either a big flock or a lot of missing. Go ahead and call it if you want. I mean, I have no problem. I could have pulled the trigger on him. I don't even see a duck laying out there, do you? There's probably wings and like some fragments of bird, but I've still been too close. There's 3, 4, something flying way up there, way up high. They got all shot up. There was only one big group of teal. I bet you there's maybe 20 of them. Usually there's like 4 or 5 of those out there. But there wasn't a whole lot of teal flying around after the opener. Should have brought is my jerk string. That's always a good thing to have in here too. You kind of put that right in the middle and then just tug on it and you get some ripples going in the water. And you think about bringing that. I'm pretty sure that Mark's got his out there, doesn't he? Yeah. Yeah, I should have brought it. That's a good thing for later season, usually, you know, after they get a little sketchy. There's a lot of wood ducks on White Lake. That was about it. Saw a couple mallards and those 20 teal. That was all she wrote. Oh, there was a bunch of teal just coming over our heads. Where the hell? They landing in the channel out there? Heads up, they might just come peeking and popping right up. Well, I could have shot at them. I didn't see them. They came over my right shoulder here.